Today, the phoenix spreads its fiery wings in your life, a powerful reminder of your infinite capacity for transformation. Phoenix teaches that every ending is a sacred beginning, and within the ashes of what lay the spark of what can be. No matter the challenge, you can rise again, renewed and radiant. This majestic creature symbolizes resilience, rebirth, and the beauty of embracing change. Phoenix invites you to release what no longer serves you, old patterns, fears, or doubts, and allow yourself to be reborn into a higher, more authentic version of yourself. Phoenix also brings the message of hope. Its flame burns even in the darkest moments, lighting the way forward. Trust that whatever you are going through is a part of your transformation, refining you into your most authentic and powerful self. Today, let the Phoenix inspire you to embrace your ability to rise above, to let go of the past with grace, and to move forward with courage and joy. You are a living testament to the power of renewal. Your affirmation for today: I release the old and embrace the new, trusting in my power to rise and shine brighter than ever before.